was standing on the other side, watching you leave, and I couldn't see you go. Know that I was so sincere when I said I need you here, 'cause this is your home. Now you're the one, my everything. If you stay, you make me sing. I'll give you my life, I'll give you my heart, and nothing will ever come between us, ever come between us. Tonight I'll show you the way. Oh, just promise me that you'll stay. Promise me that you'll stay. When you're with me, I feel so alive.
Love, 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 love. Tayo, napakagaling natin mag-isip ng mga dahilan. Pero, sa totoo lang, mas madami naman talagang paraan kaysa sa dahilan. Sadyang, mas madali lang umisip ng dahilan, kaya hindi tayo nakakagawa ng paraan. Minsan kasi, nasa gilid-gilid mo lang, hindi mo pa nakikita.
Good morning, class. Last week I told you to study your lessons about algebraic expression. Now, let's check our attendance first. Gonzales Yancy. Present. Tutanes Maria Eloisa. Present. Gardanda Jerry. Present. Kaperlak Bax. Present. Dalida Jobel. Present. De Vera Jasmine. Present. Postudio Rosario. Present. Maria Angela Betty Lafeya. Present. Calixto Sebastian. Present. Aika Dimagiba. Aika Dimagiba. Baka mag-iba yung kaway mo. Present, ma'am! The difference of their squares is equal to the second number plus 13. What are the two numbers? Miss Yancy Gonzalez? Miss Yancy Gonzalez? Yes? Miss Yancy Gonzalez? Yes, ma'am? Kaya ko ba napapansin na may business ka dyan sa likuran? So, pakisagot niya yung problem sa board? Hindi ko alam, ma'am. Yan. Hindi kasi kayo nakikinig. Tapos pagdating ng exam, aasa na naman kayo sa mga katabi nyo. Yes?
I'd like to answer, ma'am.
Okay.
The two numbers are x is equals to 9.35 and the second number is x is equals to 8.65.
Okay, that's all for today. We will have a short quiz next meeting. Class dismissed.
-4. Uy, Seb. Huy!
Uy,
Kayo ba nakatingin? Uy, paano to sabi? Saan ka ba nakatingin?
saan ba?
Ito, kanino ka ba nakatingin? Kay Aika?
Ang bait niya, no? Ang ganda pa.
Ha? Ano ba ba si Sebastian?
Oo, ay meron kay Sebastian.
Kasi kanina, pakitanda ko na naman. Ano naman yung nag-recite kanina, grabe. Si Aika? Mabait? Paano?
Kasi nga, di ba pinagtanggol niya ako kanina sa classroom? Tapos, pinagbabato nila ako ng papel. Nagalit siya. Pinagalitan niya sila Yancy.
Hindi niyo ba alam na may natutulog? Nakakayamanit kayo, bad trip.
Eh kasi, kanina natutulog siya.
Bago ba yun?
Oo, tulog ka kasi. Tulog ka ng tulog. Naman, alam mo ba, huwag ka masyadong malalapit dyan kay Aika. Na-research ko, si Aika, maraming pato sinasalihan yan. Kakasari kaya yan.
Sali kaya natin yun sa front, no? Nang magbago.
Oo, try natin. Tapos, alam mo ba, yung tao gama, naku, member daw siya, no? Huwag ka malalapit dyan. Ito na nga, isa mo na nga to.
Sino ba si Aika? Nag-text ako sa'yo.
Good afternoon, class. Nandito lang ako para ibigay yung results ng lahat ng test paper niyo. Ay, kanina kita. Dito ko. Ay ka, ano nangyayari sa'yo? Tignan mo yung mga grades mo, lahat bagsak. Kahit isa wala ka pang pinapasa. Pinagbigyan ka na ng first sem, lahat ng teacher mo nirereklamo ka na. Pag tuloy-tuloy ganito yung gagawin mo sa mga grades mo, posibilidad na madrap ka.
Sinabi sa inyo.
Kaya yung bag mo! Ano ba? Ano bang paki mo?
afternoon in December, when we were lighting you up the day when we bumped into each other. But you didn't say hi 'cause I looked away, and maybe that was the biggest mistake of my life. And maybe I haven't moved on since that night, 'cause it's 12:51 and I thought my feelings were gone. But I'm lying on my bed thinking of you again, and the moon shines so bright. But I gotta dry these tears tonight, 'cause you're moving on and I'm not that strong to hold on any longer.
No, I'm never gonna leave you, darling. Oh, I'm never gonna go regardless. Everything inside of me is living in your heartbeat. Even when all the lights are fading, even then if your hope is shaking, I'm here holding on. I will always be yours, forever and more. Through the push and the pull, I still drown in your love and drink till I'm drunk. And all that I've done, is it ever enough? I remember what you wore on the first day. You came into my life and I thought, hey, you know, this could be something. 'Cause everything you do and word you say, you know that it all takes my breath away. Now I'm left with nothing. Maybe it's true that I can't live without you, and maybe two is better than one.
Babe, anong ginagawa mo dyan?
Huwag na yan. Di ba pasagutan na ako sa'yo?
Ano na naman to? Baka mahirap to
Simulan mo dito sa simula.
Babe, paano ba to?
Ay ka, teka lang. May kukuhain lang ako saglit.
Sige na nga, sasagutan ko na nga to. Go to page 8. Pag nag-joke ka, hindi ako tatawa. Punta ka sa page 69. Ano ba itong kakornihan ni Seb? Kasi, seryoso ako sa'yo. Punta ka sa page 1. Hindi ako pwedeng maging superhero. Punta ka sa page 412. Kasi, kahit anong gawin kong paglipad, sa'yo pa rin ako babagsak. Page 245. Who's Aika? Go to page 91. She's the smile on my face, the aglet of my shoes, the lens of my eyeglasses, and the bracket of my bracelet. And go to page 140.
Never thought I would be right for you. I just can't.
The one who made me realize that life is not as cruel as it seems to be. The one who made me feel an extreme unique kind of happiness. And the one who gave me butterflies. And the owner of the gravity I cannot defy.
Because I'm going for you. Para sa'yo. Ay ka, pwede ba akong mali?
Oo!
Seryoso?
Oo!
Talaga?
Oo!
Bukas date tayo.
Sige!
Bukas ha? Basta Basta aasahan kita. Tara na, malito tayo sa klase natin. Sa bukas aasahan kita. Bis! Nagkakaroon po ako sa... Nagkikwento pala ako sa'yo.
Ano yan?
Di ba, Bes? Alam mo namang nagkakabutihan kaming Aika, di ba? Tapos kanina, sa harap ng library, sinurprise ko siya. Take note, with effort yun ha. Gawin ko siya kamal, alam mo yun. Tapos, sa book natin, naglagay ako ng surprise doon, sa book na yun. Sa page 143, doon na ako umamin. Ano yung Bes? Tapos, oo daw, Bes! Oo daw!
Ano
Okay
ko?
ka lang.
Ano ko?
Kami na ni Aika, Bes!
Congrats! Galing
Hindi
mo
ka lang
naman.
masaya para sa akin.
Masaya ako. Ano ka ba? Dali lang ha.
Sige, sige. Ano bang ginagawa ni Bes? Diba, may nakaipit ah. Malaplet na ata si Bes. Kusib? Ano naman itong kalokohan ni Bes?
Dear Seb, I am afraid I can tell you this in person. So, I decided to write it down. There were things I wanted to tell you, but I knew it would ruin our friendship. So, I buried them and let them hurt me. I wanted to kill them, but they won't let me do that. The more I bury and deny them, the more it grows. The more it consumes every single part of me. The thing started from being unusual, to odd, to peculiar, and then to something I can't recognize. I never felt like this before. These past few days, before the two of you get to hang out, I had this feeling of maybe wanting you so badly. We were supposed to carry my overloaded bag. We were supposed to be studying together. I was supposed to be the one who will listen to your stories and who will laugh at your silly jokes. But I guess someone took that special spot. Please don't feel bad. I still am and will always be your best friend. Without pain, how can I understand the joy? This will all be temporary. Don't worry. We can put being in love on a scale. Either we are or we aren't. But if someone will ask me now how much I love you in a scale of 10, I will say 10. It was you alone, Seb. I love you.
Bes, may kailangan kang i-explain.
Wala! Wala namang mangyayari!
Bes, ano mo na mangyayari?
Di ba nabasa mo naman? Di ba matalino ka?
Bes, Bes,
Tama
wala
na.
akong naintindihan, Bes.
Tama na. Wala naman kasing mangyayari.
Explain, Bes.
Pinagilan ko naman eh. Alam mo na yun.
Hindi, Bes.
Ginawa ko naman ang lahat pero... Oo nga pala. Di ba kayo na ni Aika? Congratulations, best friend.
You stuck on me in my laughing eyes. I can't pretend, though I try to hide. I like you. I like you. I think I felt my heart skip a beat. I'm standing here and I can hardly breathe. You got me, yeah. You got me. The way you take
Mom, I saw Seb a while ago. Really? Your brother Seb? Yes, he's with a girl of 5'8" height, I think. Really? I wonder who's that girl is. Amiga, it's been a long time. We're about to eat. Will you join us? It's okay for me. Yes. Come on.
Just knowing with conviction from the start. The moment your eyes made an introduction, I felt my second violin breath of life. Flawless to the point of being caught.
Oh yeah, you're GRR. What's that? You're grown a lot. Hey, Seb.
My friend, my college friend.
Oh, college friend. What kind of service is this? We've been waiting for 5 minutes. By the way, amiga, you know, Courtney just arrived from America and is now studying at Harvard University, taking up nursing. Is that so, amiga? Brooke's a fourth-year student, and I think she will be studying also in Harvard next year. Right, Brooks? Yes, I will be studying business management at Harvard University next year, just like what she said. Please go kasama sa isang mama. Oh, great! Oh, how about Seb? Ay, naku, amiga. Hindi ko nga alam dito kay Seb bakit pinili mag-aral sa cheap school at pag-aralin sa Harvard.
I told you naman about that na, di ba? It's not about the tuition fee. It's about the quality of education.
Okay, whatever. Anyway, saan mo nga pala napulot yung kasama mo? I agree, tita. Saan nga ba niyo nakuha yung kasama niyo? Mom, how about the engagement? I'm so excited.
Whose engagement? Yours?
No, it's not. It's yours, me.
Ma'am, what's engagement is that?
Seb, I told you last time. Courtney is your fiancé, right? beach outfit ka. So, lumabas na ang tunay mong kulay. Bakit? Nangangati ka na ba sa pangmayangang damit? Pero, bakit hindi ka nangangati sa panglalambiro kay Sir? Kung sa bagay, ang basahan, damitan mo man ng ginto, basahan ka pa rin.
Yun lang ba pakay mo? Baka masaktan ka. Okay, papakilala ulit ako sa'yo. I'm Aika, di ba? Ako lang naman, ang girlfriend ng fiancé mo. Si Sebastian. Tapos ka na? Pwede na ako umalis.
At may gana ka pang bumalik? Ha? Sino mo na sabi sa ikaw yung girlfriend? Hindi mo pa narinig? Ako din makakasali si Sebastian. Ha? Ang landi pa talaga!
Tama na! Tigilan mo na!
Landi mo! Huwag ka nang bumalik doon! Sabi ka lang si Courtney at hindi ka na ng CR.
Ano ba? Sabi ko sa sa'yo, tigilan ko na eh. Saktan ka pa.
Oh my gosh, Courtney! Mommy! Are you okay?
Hindi ko po talaga sinasadya.
Ano ka naman ako para sa pananganak ko?
Hindi ko na...
Kaya mo talaga? Chip-chip na ugali mo! Ano nangyayari dito? Kitang-kita ng dalawang mata ko. Itong chip na babaeng to, tinulak niya si Courtney.
Hindi ko po talaga sinasadya. Sorry po talaga.
Sabi na eh, hindi ka bagay dito. Sa palumi, sa maingay, watches area. Ikaw kasi babae ka, bakit mo sinasaktan ang fiancé ni Sebastian? Amiga, she's harmful. Can't you see? Sinaktan niya si Courtney.
Eh kasi, nagalit po kasi siya nung sinabi kong girlfriend ko ang maganda.
Girlfriend? Malandi ka ng babae ka.
Hindi ko naman po sinasadya.
Tita! Ano ba nangyari?
Sebastian, look what you've done. Yung babae niya sinaktan ng fiancé mo.
Mami, hindi magagawa ni Aika yung
Kanino ka maniniwala? Diyan sa babaeng yan? Nakilala mo na sa Chip University? O sa akin? Seb!
Tita,
Seb, sige, sundan mo siya. Sebastian, within this week, I'll send you to America. And that's final.
Patagal ka lang yung
Aika!
Ano ba yan?
Ako na! Yung sabi ko. Patayin ko na pala.
Aika! Usap nga tayo.
May dapat bang pag-usapan?
Aika, sorry about what happened last night.
Ano ba? Doon ka na sa fiancé mo.
Fiancé? Oh, come on, Aika. Is it Courtney? I don't like her. And I don't even want to see her. Hindi ko siya mahal. Ito ang mahal ko.
Mahal? Anong mahal? Ang pagkakatanda ko, pinakilala mo ko sa nanay mo, sa pamilya mo, bilang college friend, bilang kaibigan lang, Seb. Ano? Sabihin ko na. Wala na masabi. Wala tayong dapat pag-usapan.
Aika, di ba mahal mo ako? Di ba gusto mo ako? Aika, di ba gusto mo ako?
Ay, Aika. Seb.
Aika,
Hi. Hi. Aika. Seb, girl.
my friend. My college friend.
Ginamit lang kita.
Hindi. Galit ka lang, galit ka lang.
Ginamit lang kita. Pigilan mo ako. Ginamit lang kita.
Ito to.
Wala tayong dapat pag-usapan. Ayan, yung itsura mo. Teka nga, ginamit lang kita eh. Sa tingin mo ba yung itsura mo? Magugustuhan ng katulad ko? Oh, come on. Wala na tayong dapat pag-usapan. Tapos na tayo.
Aika. lang.
Ginamit lang kita. Pigilan mo ako. Ginamit lang kita.
Mas dyan, ba't ka nagpag-aamit? Nervous naman ako eh. Nag-aamit ka yun. Tanga-tanga mo.
The best definition of love is the feeling I had for you. But I'm sorry, I have to go. When I know things are not meant for me, I learn to let it go. It doesn't mean I'm weak. I'm just showing that I am strong because I can fight the urge of wanting something I used to have.
Love, 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 love. Tayo, napakagaling natin mag-isip ng mga dahilan. Pero, sa totoo lang, mas madami naman talagang paraan kaysa sa dahilan. Sadyang, mas madali lang umisip ng dahilan, kaya hindi tayo nakakagawa ng paraan. Minsan kasi, nasa gilid-gilid mo lang, hindi mo pa nakikita. Ex-best friend? My girlfriend? And my future wife? Happy anniversary, Beth!
Ano ba yan? 1 year na tayo. Basta, ito lang tatandaan mo ha. Wala akong iba. Happy anniversary, Bes!
Without saying a word, you can light up the dark. Try as I may, I can never explain what I hear when you don't say a thing. The smile on your face lets me know that you need me. There's a truth in your eyes saying you'll never leave me. The touch of your hand says you'll catch me